To find your user ID on the Bank of America app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Next, click on the three-line menu option at the top of the screen, which will open up a menu screen. From there, locate the Profile section and click on the Settings button. Then, tap on the User ID option within the Login Settings section, and click on the Change User ID option. On this screen, you will be able to find your current user ID, although it may only display the last 4 characters. If the full ID is not displayed, you can find it by visiting the Bank of America website, logging into your account, and clicking on the Security Center option. From there, select the Change Online ID option, and your full current user ID will be visible in this section. The process is quick and easy to follow, and accessing your user ID through either the app or the website is a straightforward task.